Now we're going to go over how you can set yourself up on IBM Cloud to deploy your application as you go through this course. Before I walk you through setting up your account, you should know that you can deploy your application anywhere. If you use Cloud Foundry, like we will in this course, you can deploy it to Heroku as well if you'd like. If you use Docker, you can deploy your Kitura application anywhere that uses Docker. Being that IBM pays me twice a month, I'll be showing you how to sign up for a free account to run your Kitura app and CouchDB database on IBM Cloud. If you haven't signed up for an account before, go to console.bluemix.net. By the way, IBM Cloud used to be called Bluemix, if that name sounds vaguely familiar. On the main page, click Create a Free Account. Enter your information, along with the special password. Click Create Account, and you should see a message that you received an email about your registration. Check your email and confirm your registration. After that, click the Login button. After you log in with your email and password that you set up, you should land on your dashboard. There's a lot of starter kits to check out, and on your own time, you should give some of them a try if you're interested. Right now, we're going to set up a Cloud Foundry application with the Swift runtime. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, click Create Resource. On the left, you'll see Cloud Foundry Apps. Click it, and then select the Swift runtime. Notice the light icon underneath it, which means it's free. The next page will show you details about pricing for these applications. If you want to scale above 256 megabytes, you'd need to sign up for a paid account. Thankfully, Swift was designed to run on a very small memory footprint, so we only need 256 megabytes. In fact, you could even get away with 128 megabytes for this course. After you select your memory footprint, go to the top and enter a unique app name. Your app will be accessible on the internet with this name, so make sure it's something unique. I'll write something unique here. Notice that the host name is auto-filled for you. This means you'll get to see the URL where the app will be accessible once you deploy it. If you want to make a bunch of apps that are segregated from one another, you can add other regions, organizations, and spaces. After you give everything a final once-over, click Create in the bottom right-hand corner. You should be redirected to a set of documentation for downloading the Bluemix command line interface, as well as some other things. Hang on to this, as you'll need to install the CLI soon. I just want you to keep one thing in mind with IBM Cloud. The application space you've created is 100% free, and so long as you don't go above the free memory tier, you will be just fine. However, IBM Cloud might ask you for a credit card number in 30 days. At the time of this filming, I expect them to ask you, but that might change at any time. Either way, you have access to a bevy of tools to make sure that what you're using is free and that you won't be charged. Now you're ready to actually push some things up. In the next video, we'll get you up and running with your new application space.